Hello there. Try to imagine yourself in the position of a traveler roaming around Kolkata. In that case, again imagine what kind of sentences you may require. We have just 10 sentences here, very simple sentences. You just try to memorize them and try to utter properly. And if you can do that, you will have the feel of the Bengali language. So no wastage of time, straight away go to the sentences. Number 1, ki bollen? What did you say? This is a formal sentence. Ki bollen. Full sentence is apni ki bollen. But we Bengali people very often drop the subject pronoun because it is so obvious. Bollen, that means apni ki bollen. What did you say? Then number 2, Ami Bangla bujhina. Ami Bangla bujhina. That means Ami, I, Bangla, Bengali language, bujhina means don't understand. So Ami Bangla bujhina means I don't understand Bangla. Come to number 3, Doya kore Thikanata bolun. Suppose you are looking for a particular address but you can't find it. In that case, you need some help. You show the address to somebody and ask him politely, Doya kore Thikanata bolun. It means, please give me the address. Doya kore Thikanata bolun. Thikana means address. Doya kore, please. Bolun, say. Number 4, while roaming around, you have found something, you liked it and you wanted to buy it. Then what will be the question? Etar daam koto? Etar, of this thing. Etar, eta means this thing and etar means of this thing. Daam, price. Koto, how much. So etar daam koto means how much is this. Number 5, Ekhane rail station kothay. Ekhane, here. Rail station means railway station. Sometimes it is station, very frequently it is station. So, Ekhane rail station or rail station kothay. Kothay means where. Where is the railway station here? Ekhane rail station or rail station kothay. Number 6, Aamake shahajyo korun. You need some help. So, Aamake shahajyo korun. Aamake, me. Shahajyo, help. Korun, do. That means, please help me. Aamake shahajyo korun means, please help me. Number 7, Aamra rasta hariyechi. Aamra, we. Rasta, way. Hariyechi, lost. That means, we have lost our way. You are roaming around and you don't know the city. It is very easy to get lost. So you are lost. So Aamra rasta hariyechi. We have lost our way. Number 8, you need some real help, but the kind of Bengali language you know, it is not enough. In that case, you are looking for a person who can speak English. What will be the question? Apni ki Ingreji bollen? Apni ki Ingreji bollen? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Apni ki Ingreji bollen? Number 9. In answer to your question, he said something, but you didn't catch it or you couldn't understand it. In that case, ektu dheere bolun. Ektu, slightly, a little. Dheere means slowly. Bolun means speak. So, speak a little slowly, please. Ektu dheere bolun. Speak a little slowly, please. Number 10. Ami abar asbo. Ami, I, abar, again. Asbo, will come. I'll come again. Ami abar asbo. So these are very small sentences. Only 10 you have. But 10 sentences in a session for a foreigner may be a quite good dose. We don't want to extend the session. We stop here. But I request you to just remember these sentences. If you can, write them on your mobile or in a notebook and frequently try to utter them properly. And you will have the feel of the Bengali language. So this much today. Have a nice time. Abar dekha hobe. you.